Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Kodian Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. Local investors are being urged to consider diversifying their portfolios to include overseas investments as this could improve their returns. Javine McLean tells us more.
Chief Executive Officer of Victoria Mutual Wealth Management, Resworth Burchinson, says while the Jamaica Stock Exchange continues to perform well, there are other markets which could yield more returns.
Jamaica's had economic growth of less than 1% for the past 40 years. Look how our stock market did. Look at the performance. We're saying to Jamaicans, if you look outside of Jamaica, there are other economies doing very well, that we can participate in that growth. When an economy does well, companies will do well. Stock market will do well. So our equity fund is primarily invested in US stocks.
Mr. Burchinson says currency diversification is the way of the future.
So we're providing a vehicle for diversification, currency diversification and economic diversification. So we're certainly encouraging investors that if you want to be an investor in a globalized world, you can't only invest in Jamaica. You have to invest in other markets that are doing equally well. And over the years, we plan to roll out additional portfolios, to ensure that Jamaicans get that diversification. So for instance, one day we may do a European index, or an African index, or a Pacific index. It's just to allow Jamaicans to participate. Not because you work in Jamaica means you can't participate in the upside of those economies.
Javine McLean, Frontline Business.
There has been a dip in profit at listed used car dealer Jetcon Corporation. Its just released financial results for 2018 show net profit of $91.4 million. Jetcon recorded $153.8 million profit in 2017. Revenue was flat at just over $1.1 billion. Jetcon said it had poor sales in July, which is usually one of its best months. The company says it decided to invest in new facilities to accommodate expanded sales. Jetcon also expanded staffing and increased spending on leasing property at Kingston Wharves. Jetcon is one of 2 car dealers using the facility and the only pre-owned dealer with this access. Adjustments in importation strategy were implemented when the pre-inspection practices were introduced by government, and Jetcon also changed the method of importing vehicles, resulting in higher pre-delivery cost and a reduction in profit margin. However, the company says orders for vehicles increased sharply in December and continued into the new year. Jetcon will also begin its push into wholesaling of units to other dealers, and early indications show promising results. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 2,934 points to close at over 380,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 62 stocks, of which 16 advanced, 39 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 10 points to close at 3,109. Stocks advanced for Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Derrimont Trading, Everything Fresh, Express Catering, and Indies Pharma Jamaica. Stocks declined for AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, and Cargo Handlers. Trading firm were 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Fosrich Company, and Iron Rock Insurance. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with over 10 million units, followed by Lasco Financial Services with over 2 million units, and General Accident Insurance Company with just over 480,000 units. And in news in oil, prices hovered near flat on Tuesday as the market balanced OPEC-led efforts to tighten crude supply with the restart of Libya's biggest oil field and the prospect of weaker demand. Brent, the international benchmark, was unchanged at $65.67 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 1 cent to $56.58 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Kodian Barrett. Pleasant viewing.